To the protests in New Jersey right now. They're happening amid heated debates around the country dealing with Christopher Columbus statues.
A Black Lives Matter march in Nutley is ending at Town Hall where a Columbus statue stands. CBS 2's Jessica Layton joins us live from Nutley. Jessica.
And it's all unfolding right now, Dick and Jessica. What we have is a Black Lives Matter protest, which seems to have been met by a counter-protest here in the center of Nutley. You've got one large group yelling Black Lives Matter, the other group standing very close to them, in their faces saying all lives matter. I will step out so you can see the groups coming together, divided by a line of Nutley police officers wearing masks and vests. Now, this started with about 100 people circling the Christopher Columbus statue at the center of town, saying they are defenders of the statue, defenders of their heritage. They started gathering after hearing several dozen people from the group Nutley for Black Lives would be marching down to this area. And that group started gathering about a mile away. They say they're fed up by the injustices people of color are subjected to, not only in large cities, but in smaller places like here in Nutley, New Jersey. But they say they're doing this all in peace. And in fact, they say the reason they came here in the first place doesn't have anything to do with that statue at all.
We're ending at Town Hall because that is the center of our governing bodies. That is where our police station is and our town hall is. So that is the only reason why. We do support the legal removal of the statue. Someone else that is not a part of our group has made a petition for it, and we do support it. But that was not the reason we are protesting today.
To protect our history. Strictly, it's our history as an Italian American. I have rights too. You know? I worked 80 years of my life.
So overnight in Newark, city workers there were instructed to take down the statue of Christopher Columbus from Washington Park. The mayor there saying the removal of that statue should not be perceived as an insult to the Italian-American community. Rather, it's a statement against the enslavement and oppression that this explorer represents. Back here live in Nutley, you can see this face-off happening right now live in front of that Christopher Columbus statue, as well as right in front of the police department. Again, you've got one group chanting Black Lives Matter, the other saying all lives matter and USA. There are several police officers here. Both groups so far have promised to remain peaceful. We're live in Nutley, New Jersey. Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.